before I get into this, and check this out, I'm going to use my 2-inch throwaway paintbrush. I still have it. I've been using this for the entire job. It's still been working. I've been using that, for the primer, also for this roof coating, also for my finished paint. I even use that to cut in for the stairs. But before I use that, I'm going to put this this yellow webbing tape on, and you can cut it with a pair of tin snips if you want, or this particular stuff, I'm just going to take my gloves off, I think. This stuff here, I'm just going to coat. I'm going to coat over this, and I'm going to go out one more layer. I want to show you how you could cut this. If you don't want to use your scissors, this is for sheetrock actually. You take a putty knife and you just hold the putty knife on that and you rip it. Just pull it off and it tears. So you just have to kind of hold it and then pull that at an angle. Okay, so I'm gonna just put a couple pieces down here. Hold the putty knife there. Pull that, and I'm gonna do it right here in the corner. You got to pull it at an angle, and you just have to kind of do it. You have to kind of do it fast. And I remember this kind of went over about like that. So I'm just gonna hold this here, and I'm just gonna fill this in. Can you see when I put that, let's see, for these small little pieces, I can just set this here, rip it, and put them on. There. Like that. And that's right about where I put all of that material. Okay. And I kind of swept this area first. Don't need any gloves for this. Hold it right at the angle, right in line, and then pull it at an angle. Okay. And this kind of went down about like that, as I recall. And I don't have to go all the way over. That's that flashing. The flashing there. That it's okay being underneath that. This stuff really works good when you put it on sheetrock. And this is instead of putting the tape, the paper tape, because you can put this right on your seams, you know. Before you put the mud in. With the paper tape, you have to put the mud on, you have to put the tape, and you have to make sure you get it on just so. and you have to get the air bubbles out. You have to get everything out from underneath the tape, and you got your mud on your hands and everything else because you're not used to it. Boy, you just put this stuff on there and away you go. Okay, remember this here, if you remember, I floated it up like that because I wanted to get the water directed away from these columns. See, I'm trying to do it I didn't hold my knife in line with it, and if you don't pull hard enough, you leave some of it. This will kind of fill up that low spot too. Yeah. I hadn't used this self-adhesive webbing tape for a while, and I wasn't even sure if it was still sticky, but yeah, this is a couple years old. Maybe 3 years old, this webbing tape. And I had it right here in this corner, about like that. I forget exactly, but I remember it being pretty close to that. This is not going to come up, is it? Okay. Then when you store this, fold this end over. You don't have to make it perfect. You can make it off askew if you want. You know, like that. And just leave it like that. Next time you want it, you know exactly where it is. Pull it up, fold that out, and away you go. Because if you just put this down, it's hard to find that edge on here. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm done with that. You see that? That was right where all of that, where I floated all of that out with the Durance Rock Hard Water Putty. And like I said, I should have used Fix-It-All. And it's like Rock Hard Water Putty. And I ended up using Fix-It-All underneath all these stairs. And there was a main reason for that. If you want to watch those videos, you'll find them on my playlist under dry rot stair repairs, a dry rot stair replacement or something like that. Okay? So now I'm going to put this webbing over the top of that. But first I got to put this down. Boy, it's a nice day today. Whew. I'm liking it. I'm liking it for sure. I'm just going to open this lid with my little paint can remover. It's always the best way to do it instead of a screwdriver. Okay. And I might as well, there's actually a lot just right there. waste that. Okay. Now I'm just going to take that over here. I think I'm gonna raise my tripod. I've got it down all the way. Tripod's helping me out this morning. Maybe I should just, I was going to do just a little bit of this and then come back with the other tape, but I think I'm just going to do it just like that all the way first, and then I'll come back and coat it more. This will help bond it right down to the floor in the areas where you want it. If you had a seam or a crack or something, you could do it the same way. Flashing, roof flashing around a roof curb, let's say. That's what I ended up doing on commercial buildings. I'd have, like, if I had to add an air conditioner. The air conditioning guy, he'd cut the hole, and I'd go up there and frame the roof curb like with some 4x6s. Cut it at the angle of the roof. Then he'd come back. Actually, how did that happen? Would he come? I think he would come back. Yeah. Install his unit, give me some flashing to put around the roof curb at the same time, and then I put the flashing on and use this roof coating stuff or something similar to it. And it worked out really good. Actually, obviously you got to put a few coats of this on. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.